So we're gonna go for a cruise in this basically stock 2001 on the Prelude. I say basically stock because all it has when I bought it was this new speed bar up front. Other than that, it's completely stock. I put a microphone right by the stock intake box. We're gonna go for a little cruise. We're gonna see if we could hear that VTEC engagement and that induction sound on a stock intake, but I've done this before in a stock car and usually we can pick it up. And then in the future, we're gonna be putting on the AEM V2 intake, which I had back in the day on my first car that I've ever owned, which was a 5th gen Prelude when I was in high school, although that was automatic. And here we have the nice 5-speed manual with, can't see it probably, but it's only got 61,000 miles. So let's go for a cruise and see how she sounds. Subscribe for more. So I'm gonna do a little bit of testing on the road and then we'll do some pulls, crack some VTEC, see how it sounds. And then like I said, in the future, put the AEM V2 and go from there. So let's go for a cruise in this low mileage, new to me, 2001 on the Prelude. Just finished doing a quick workout, so don't mind these gym shorts that keep riding up on me. Let go. Alright, so if you guys enjoy the stock sounds coming out of this engine in H22 from my 2001 Honda Prelude, that VTEC crossover engagement, be sure to subscribe for more. We got some plans for the Honda Prelude. My S2000 is currently being supercharged as I'm driving this. The Integra Type S has some mods, more to come. You can check out drivendistrict.com for some performance parts, some merch, follow on Instagram, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot.